verify whether the following graph are isomorphic to each other or not. So to check isomorphism, we have some conditions. So we'll take here how to find this isomorphism. We have to take G1 and G2. So first we have to find the vertex. Vertex of the point. What is a vertex? Vertex is nothing but points. We have to see how many points are there in G1 and G2. So here we have points are A, B, C, D. So it is A, B, C, D. Total we have 4. And here we have P, Q, R, S. So we have P, Q, R, S. So here also we have 4. So here vertex are same. Then you have to check for degree. For degree, you will be checking for vertex. Then you will check for edges. Edges means lines. How many lines do we have here? So we have A to B, A, B. Then we have B, D. Then you have B, D. Then you have D, C. Then D, C. Then we have C, A. Then you have C, A. And you have B, C. Then you have B, C. So we have 5 edges. Let us check here. It is P, Q. We have one edge. Then Q, R, S. Q, S, second edge. Then S, R, third edge. Then R, P, fourth edge, and then P, S is fifth edge. So we have 5 edges are also same. Then we'll find the degree. What is the degree? Degree is how many lines are joining that particular point. We have to check how many lines are joining to that particular point. That is called degree. Okay, so you will just check what are the degree of this particular A. How many lines? 1, 2. So the degree of A is 2. Then what is the degree of B? 1, 2, 3. We have 3. This is 2. It is 3. Then degree of D is 2. 2 lines. It is 2. Then degree of C is 1, 2, 3. It is 3. So it is 3. So yeah. Next one you have for P. This 1, 2, 3. For P it is 3. Then for Q we have 1, 2. It is 3, 2. Then for S we have 1, 2, 3. Which is 1, 2, 3. That is 2, 3. Then you have for R it is 2. So here you can see it is 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. Even that is also same. Now we have to find the degrees vertex with the same degree. Now we have to find the next one. We'll be finding for G1 and G2. We'll find their vertex. What is vertex with the same degree? Same degree. That is, we'll see where we have same degree. We have for A. We have for A here vertex with 2 degree. We have here it is for with 2 degree is A and D, A, D, and here it is 2 is Q, R. Then vertex with 3 degree. Vertex with 3 degree we have here it is B and C, BC, and here we have it is 3 degrees P and S. So we have to map them now. We'll be mapping. We'll be mapping then. That is, we can write them as f of A equals Q. What we have here Q. Then f of D will be equal to R. Then f of B will be equal to P. Then f of C will be equal to S. So now what we have to check next is we have to check there here how you're going to write this will be written in the form of edges. We have to just check the edges now. So here we will just compare A with D, A and D. So here edge will be in G1. The edge will be A, B. If you take with A, B, C, D, if I write, I'll take A and B. So it is A and B. If A, B will be equal to what do you have at the side? It is Q, P. So here the edge AB will be equal to the edge P, Q. Then if you take the other edge, that is A and C. A, C in G1. A, C in G1 will be equal to A, S. That is Q, S. That will be this edge. So then if you take a D, B here in this one, D, B. If you take the edge, D, B, that will be S, R. That will be S, R. So this will be the edge. So all the edges are mapping each other. Therefore, the given graph is isomorphic. The edges which are there in G1 should be mapping to the edges which are there in G2. Therefore, it is an isomorphic. If it